Hello everybody, I'm Steve and welcome to 5-Minute English Exam Skills. I want to talk about sentence transformations. Now in some exams, for example the Cambridge First Certificate exam, you're given a sentence and then you're given a keyword and then you're given a second sentence with a gap, and you have to write a few words in that gap so the second sentence means the same as the first sentence. And I know this is a task that worries a lot of people taking the exam because they're not sure what to expect. What are they testing? Well, in fact, they can't just test anything in this format of task. And one thing they test is the transformation from the active voice to the passive voice. In other words, the first sentence you're given is an active sentence, and the sentence with the gap is in the passive. So what you have to do is you have to first of all realize that it's in the passive, and then you need to do the transformation and make sure you get all the bits in the right place. Now, there are a couple of things that you should look out for. The main tip is when you have a sentence with a subject and an object, the first sentence, A, B, then look for B being put at the start of the passive sentence. Let me show you an example. So here we've got, they're going to demolish the theatre, okay, and the keyword we're given is pulled. Then in the second sentence, it starts with the theatre. Now the fact that the theatre has gone from the end of the first sentence to the start of the second sentence, that's a clue that perhaps we should be thinking about the passive voice. And there's another clue, the word pulled. Now often, when the transformation is from the active voice to the passive voice, the word we're given is a past participle. Pulled, bought, taken, given. Look out for past participles and look out for the object moving to the start of the sentence. So let's look at this one in detail. They're going to demolish the theatre down. Now there's another element to this that we'll cover in another video, which is phrasal verbs. So what you need to realize is that the phrasal verb pull down means the same as demolish, and so once we repeat the tense going to, then the answer we get to is the theatre is going to be pulled down. So when you're doing sentence transformation tasks, look out for the object of one sentence becoming the subject of another sentence, and also look out for past participles as the key word.